Beautiful day here, New Zealand, just north of Auckland. Clear blue skies, not a bad winter, and got this beautiful new project. So I think I've mentioned before, we don't have three-phase power here, so getting a good air supply is pretty difficult, and managed to find this. So it's supposedly a 75 CFM. It looks to be a vane pump, hydro-vane, a little diesel motor on there, so it gets rid of the issue of having to have three-phase power for any decent air. Does mean I'm going to have to pay for diesel whenever I'm using it, but it's a fairly decent unit. Looks a little bit old and tatty, but I got it cheap, so just giving it a clean up at the moment, and we'll go through. It'll probably need an oil change and maybe some new glow plugs, new filters, that sort of thing. I'll give it a tidy up, probably make a new shell for it, replace some of the switches, and then I've got to plumb it up back into the workshop. So that's where we're at the moment. Had quite a bit on at work, so I haven't been putting up many videos, but I'll try and document this just to show how I'm going with this process, and probably actually turn it into a trailer, and we'll get into some more testing with the cabinets with a better air supply, and just see what the difference is. So apologies for the lack of content lately, but that's what I've been up to.